So in this video, I'm going to show you these microfiber cloths which are used to clean screens, LCD screens, and electronic devices. I picked up these microfiber cloths from Daisu. They are very convenient because microfiber cloths do not scratch your screens, so they're absolutely safe to use, and the end result is perfect. You've got different sizes, and you can put your finger inside like that, and you can clean it like this. So let me show you what I mean. So let me bring my iPad Pro here. For example, you can use this microfiber cloth to clean the iPad screen simply by wiping it like this. And you can see that the end result is perfect. All the smudges, the fingerprints are gone. Only clean, let me clean this side. Only clean your devices with microfiber cloths because they do not scratch your surface. And that's about it. Go ahead and pick up one of those microfiber cloths. They don't have to be looking like this. My favorite is this one. This guy looks like Sonic. They don't have to look like this. It can be any kind of shape or color, but just make sure that you are buying a microfiber cloth. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.